Hi and welcome to another mini tutorial. This time we're going to see how to spawn objects at runtime, and to achieve this, we're going to use instantiate. At first we need a prefab. You can easily create it by dragging a game object from the hierarchy tab to your assets. Once the prefab is created, you can delete it from the hierarchy. The second step is to create an empty game object, RMB on the hierarchy create empty, which will contain our script. I'll call it spawner. Now we need the script. In the asset folder click RMB create C# script. Then open it up to write our code. The task is easy. We're going to set a public variable for the prefab and then, in the start method, we will write a for cycle to spawn the object 5 times, each one at 2 unit of distance to each other. Once the script is finished, save it and go back to Unity. Select the MP game object in the hierarchy and drag the script on the Inspector tab. Click on your prefab and drag it in the prefab empty box in the script we attached. The only thing left to do is to press play and test it. Enjoy! Thanks for watching.